Breathtaking, isn't it? Well, we managed to come to this spot, which is like one end of Goa, and right now the beach is here. How we managed to come here? This got us here. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Kia Seltos. Got it up here right for you, and let's see what this beast is all about. First of all, the signature grill. This is the grill. It's called the tiger nose grill. Don't ask me where the tiger is, but there's somewhere here. Some people like it, some don't like it, but most people like it. We love it. What I also like about this is the 3 fog lamp, the all LED lights, and think of it like that. The design is quite overpowering for a car which is in the same space, which is a little longer and a little wider from Creta, same platform. They all have the same lineage going up somewhere. But this car looks quite imposing, and we took a narrow lane to come up here. It managed that part also. I like the tire profile because it's 17-inch all alloy cut wheels, so it serves the purpose. It is got the length, it's got enough of, there are a lot of back stuff kept here. This is how the interior looks like. Coming to the boot, guys, the boot is not something that you press and goes up. You have to pull it up and pull it down. So yeah, and it's got very decent space here. You can fit in easy one big baggage and one bag. It's more than the Creta, and I think it's more or less close to Tucson, but it's got decent space. Now switching it off, this is the back profile. I think back does the job. It looks the part. People might mistake this from the back of MG. Somehow it looks very close to the MG back, but it's Kia. Moving on to the front seat and to the driver profile. It's got the features, it's got some amazing features, and the real test is on the road. So shall we hit it? Seat belt on, safety first. We have Yashvi here, who is going to join us. Come. I hope you enjoyed the good view. Let's drive the car now. So as you can see, the road is very narrow, and we are going to drive through this. This is what I was telling you, it's a very narrow lane. The car of this size, at first glance we thought it will not go, but it did go, and we managed this lane very well, and we got out, and there's a big crater. So the real test is right now when we go up this, and now we see here how it goes. I think we go very well. Yes, we did go. We did do a good job here. So guys, we are driving the 1.5 diesel automatic, and it's in Goa. It's raining like it's going to flood anytime. So we'll start from the display. It's got a 10.25-inch display. It's quite neatly packed, and it's not a cheap plastic, but not that premium also, somewhere in the middle. Now it's got a host of features. Now I'm going to show you a couple of them. If you're going to press the all menu button, you have mood lighting. It's got this button by which you can connect to the call center, which I've just connected. Let's see. It's bad network, so maybe it doesn't connect. So we'll keep trying that. Anyways, I think we'll keep trying that as we move ahead. So, and then the seat is very adjustable. You can get to a driving height position good. The passenger seat, where Yashvi is currently sitting, that's not adjustable. She's a tall girl, she's manageable, but otherwise you'll have a problem. The same thing with Creta, with Tucson, with all the other cars. I think it's got to do with the cost, because you have to put a lot of hydraulics for that. Apart from that, what you see, it's quite a good controlled car. Of course, I would be very happy if the pickup was a little more peppier. Do you see the revving sound of the car inside while sitting? I mean, unless you're blasting the music, you will feel it. So tomorrow we'll try the 1.4 petrol and see how it got, but 1.5 diesel definitely has something holding on. Let's do something which you always do most in the car. Connect your car with the music system connect your car with the Bluetooth audio system in your mobile phone, and how the music, this has got 8 Bose speakers. Now I don't know what music is playing here, but I think it's a Korean music. So music wise it does a good job. So let's see how the navigation works while on the go. Yes, we will type that. We are going to a place called Rice Magos, and yeah, if you get the spelling wrong, it will autocorrect. Right now in Goa we don't have any network, so let's see how this works, and this looks to be working fine here. Yes. And there's a glitch in the system. I think there's some software issue. This screen is not waking up while we can hear the music. While you've sorted this, do check out the 1.4 petrol review also, which we have done in our channel. And did you hear what Vicky said?
Subscribe to the Wheelz.